Good morning, dear student. Hello, how are you? Today's topic is the common potential. So, the question on this topic, what is the common potential if the two spherical capacitors are connected with the help of connecting wire? So, what is the common potential between these two spherical capacitors? Okay, so let us see how can we drive it, and after this what will be the effect in energy. Okay, so we consider the two capacitors of capacity C1 and C2 having initial charge Q1 and Q2, and their potentials are V1 and V2. Okay, therefore the charges on these two capacitors Q1 is equal to C1V1 and Q2 is equal to C2V2. This is the B4 connection. Suppose this is the spherical capacitor of capacity C1 and the other is C2 whose potentials V1 and V2, B4 connection. If we connect these spherical capacitors by the connecting wire, then these capacitors attain the common potential which is V and V, whose capacity is C1 and C2. Okay, but we know that the charge is always conserved. Okay, so by applying the law of conservation of charge, total charge before connection is equal to total charge after connection. So Q1 plus Q2 means C1 V1 plus C2 V2 is equal to C1 V plus C2 V. On we take the common V on the RHS side, so we can calculate the V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. So this is the common potential on sharing the two capacitors of charges. Okay, now we are going to derive the formula for loss in energy on sharing the charges. ओके कितना लॉस होता है जब हम दोनों चार्जेस को शेयर कर देते हैं. सो एनर्जी लॉस कैसे डिटरमाइन करेंगे? बिफोर द कनेक्शन फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द टोटल एनर्जी एंड आफ्टर दैट वी कैलकुलेट द टोटल एनर्जी आफ्टर द कनेक्शन. ओके, नाउ if we take the difference between the two energies after connection and the before connection, we can determine the loss in energy. Okay, so first we have calculate the total energy before connection. So U initial is equal to half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square, and total energy after connection is equal to 1 upon 2 total capacitance, it means C1 plus C2, and total potential, it means common potential V square. On applying the value of V, we get U final is equal to 1 upon 2 C1 plus C2 और ब्रैकेट के अंदर C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2 का whole square. There is no space below this line, so we use this space and you determine the U final is equal to 1 upon 2 C1 C2 और इसको हमने स्क्वायर अलग कर दिया, then this square is cancelled by this, so we can take the square of this relation and the formula is becomes C1 square B1 square plus C2 square B2 square plus 2 C1 C2 B1 B2 upon 2 C1 plus C2. Okay, so this is the final energy, and the loss in energy delta U is equal to U initial minus U final. Okay, so we can apply the value of initial energy and the final energy. So we we can solve here. U initial and U final. Okay, so delta U is equal to U initial is 1 upon 2 C1 V1 square plus 1 upon 2 C2 V2 square minus C1 square V1 square plus C2 square V2 square plus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2 upon C1 plus C2. Okay, we apply these values of initial energy and the final energy. So we can solve this problem and determine the delta U. तो डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू 1/2 हम क्या करेंगे, कॉमन ले लेंगे यहाँ पर. सो 1/2 हो जाएगा कॉमन, तो बचेगा कितना, इसको हमने इससे क्या कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो ये बनेगा C1 स्क्वायर V1 स्क्वायर प्लस C1 C2 V2 स्क्वायर एंड नाउ प्लस C1 C2 V1 square and now plus C2 square or V2 square. Okay, now this value minus C1 square V1 square minus C2 square V2 square minus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2. Okay, C2 bracket close. Some values are cancelled to each other, like C1 square V1 square cancelled by C1 square V1 square, and the C2 square V2 square is cancelled by C2 square V2 square. And some values are common in this relation. C1 C2 C1 C2 C1 C2 are here. So delta U is equal to 1/2 C1 plus C2 and in this common C1 C2 are common. So in bracket B1 square plus B2 square minus 2 B1 B2. Okay, we can write this relation C1 C2 and V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 C1 C2. This is the loss in energy on sharing the charge. Okay, from this relation it is clear that delta U is positive, so we can write U initial is always greater than U final. Okay, thank you student.